Jai Bharat, dear students. Today we will start chapter number 3, MS PowerPoint, Basics and Formatting. We'll read that dialog boxes. Dear teacher, what is a presentation? What is its use? In which software can we create it? We want to learn about it. Yes, students, it is very exciting to make a presentation. You can create it in MS PowerPoint. We will learn about it. So, dear children, Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation we use to present some new ideas, right, to the peoples. So, let's see the introduction of this lesson. When a topic or idea is presented in an electronic form with multimedia effects means what? It can be sound, it can be graphics, or it can be animation. So then it is called electronic presentation. Such a presentation is effective and engaging for the audience. राइट अगर आप लोगों को कुछ सरप्राइज देना है फॉर दैट यू कैन मेक अ वेरी इफ़ेक्टिव पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. तो प्रेजेंटेशन में आप लोग इफ़ेक्टिव बनाने के लिए क्या कर सकते हो? यू कैन ऐड सम पिक्चर्स, सम म्यूजिक, सम वीडियोज एंड गिव सम बॉर्डर्स टू द पेजेस. यू विल डू इट वेरी attractively using that objects in the PowerPoint presentation. So let us see some popular presentation applications that are Microsoft PowerPoint, SlideShare, Wink, Keynote, Google Slides, etc. तो ये सारे PowerPoint presentation के जैसे ही काम करते हैं. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint allows to create presentation slides with animations, narrations, images, audios, videos and much more. तो PowerPoint presentation क्या provide करता है? Slides. Okay, slide के साथ साथ animations also, then narrations also, then you can add some images in it, some audios in it, some videos in it, and so many things. You can add some shapes, some graphs, some charts. Yes. So how to start MS PowerPoint application? For that we have to first of all on our computer, then go to the start menu. Start button पे click करने के बाद you will find out that panel. Here in this picture you can see, right? So from the start panel you will select all programs option. So all programs open up another uh, list. In that list you will get option for Microsoft Office करके आप लोगों को folder मिलेगा. In once you will click on that folder, that will display a list of related Microsoft Office applications. So in that list you will get Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation application. Understanding everyone? So this is how you will start with MS PowerPoint application. Okay, now we'll get introduced to the PowerPoint window. So Microsoft PowerPoint consists of the following components. तो कौन से components है? There is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar मतलब कि वहाँ पे undo, redo, save जैसे options रहते हैं, उनके छोटे छोटे icons रहते हैं. It means to go through these steps you can directly click on that icons and you can do that actions on your presentation slides. Okay, so it contains commands that are frequently used like save, undo, redo, print, etc. Then next is title bar. Yes children, so what is the use of title bar? Title bar, in that title bar we used to write the name of our topic, the name of our project, right? So it displays the name of the presentation and three control buttons: minimize, maximize and close. Title bar क्या present करता है? Our file name, ठीक है, our presentation name, and it also shows the control buttons. तो कौन से control buttons रहते हैं? Yes, that are minimize button, maximize button and close buttons. Next is ribbon. Ribbon का मतलब क्या है? In ribbon it includes the options, the groups, the tabs, etc. Okay, so ribbons for various tabs like home, insert, design, animation, etc. contain commands to work with PowerPoint. So this is about the three main components of a PowerPoint window. Let us see the next components of a PowerPoint window. that is a slide pan, right? Slide pans किधर है? Yes, it is at the left side of the working area. So the slides pan shows thumbnail size slides in the presentation. The user can click them to view and edit as required. वहाँ पे आप लोगों को slides दिखेंगे, जो जितने भी slides you have work on that, so you can see it at the left side of your PowerPoint window. That is called slide pan. Okay, so whichever slide you want, suppose slide number 3, slide number 7, so you can select that and you can start editing in it. Understanding children? Next it's slide area. तो slide pan से, ओके, स्लाइड पैन से whenever you will select any one of particular slide, तो वो स्लाइड एरिया पे ओपन हो जाएगी. ओके, सो वेर नाउ यू कैन सी क्लिक टू ऐड टाइटल, तो वो है स्लाइड एरिया. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? नेक्स्ट इज स्लाइड बार. सो स्लाइड बार में क्या मिलेगा आपको देखने के लिए? यस, इट displays information about the current slide number, total number of slides, then view buttons and zoom slider. So status bar shows you what? Different types of views, then the slide numbers, then total number of slides you have created, and then view buttons to see your presentation in a different views, as well as zoom slider to see in a zoom in. Understanding children? So there are total 6 main components of a PowerPoint window. Let us move to the next point, that is creating a simple presentation. Yes children, we can create presentation very simply. How? A simple presentation is a blank presentation with no slides and no predefined colors and styles, nothing in it. So it is a plain black and white presentation which you can format as you desire. The steps to create a blank presentation are, तो कौन से steps है blank presentation तैयार करने के लिए? Yes, we'll go through the, first of all, click new option in the file tab. Okay, पहले तो PowerPoint presentation application open करेंगे, then go to the file tab, then click on the blank presentation theme. It will display the different types of themes. So in that you can select blank presentation theme. This will take you to the blank presentation with one title slide added automatically. You can type the title in the title box and subtitle in the box below it. So in the file menu you will get that blank presentation, and beside to that some designed one and the styles one style slides are there. So we are about to a blank presentation, simple presentation, so we are going to select blank presentation theme. Understanding children? Yes. So one shortcut note is given, that is to insert a new blank presentation. There are the shortcut keys to open blank presentation. For that we have to press Ctrl plus N key. This is how it will open using the shortcut key blank presentation theme. Understanding? Let us move to the next, that is adding new slides to the presentation. Okay, एक slide तो automatically आ जाएगी. What about others? Right, from where we have to add the other slides. Right, so there are some steps. Let us see adding new slides in the presentation. You can use any number of slides in the presentation. Let us add a blank slide, और एक slide blank add करनी है. क्या करेंगे? Yes. Okay, next to the file tab there is a home tab. So click on the home tab. In the slides group, वहाँ पे slides group रहेगा. Click on the drop down arrow on the new slide button. Okay, so that slides group will display the down arrow. वो down arrow पे click करने के बाद it will display the list of all the slides layouts. Okay, then click on the new slide. A grid of slide layouts appears. Then click on the blank layout. Okay, so this is how you can add the different types of slides layout in your presentation. The shortcut note is given to insert a new slide. What you will do? Ctrl plus M and Ctrl plus enter. This is how you will automatically get the blank slides in your presentation. I hope you all understanding children. Our next point is inserting a text box. Yes, अभी slide में हम लोग text box कैसे insert करेंगे? So let us see. You can go through that red arrows. Okay, unlike title slide, blank slide does not have any object. Let us add a text box on our blank slide. तो blank slide पे कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. तो लिखने के लिए वी हैव टू टेक वन टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. सो गो टू द डिजायर्ड स्लाइड, देन क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब. ठीक है, जिस जहाँ पे आप लोगों को टेक्स्ट बॉक्स इंसर्ट करना है, ओपन दैट स्लाइड, देन गो टू द इंसर्ट टैब. इंसर्ट टैब में यू विल गेट टेक्स्ट ग्रुप, और टेक्स्ट ग्रुप में you will get a text box option. Okay, just simply click on that and automatically that text box will be applied in your selected slide. So draw the text box by dragging the mouse. Dragging the mouse मतलब आपको text box खींचना पड़ेगा जितना आपको बड़ा चाहिए. Understanding? Yes. Now the next point is deleting a slide. Yes, it is very simple to delete a slide, right? So the steps to delete a slide from the presentation are: in the slide pane, right click on the desired slide. जो left side में slide pane रहता है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे slides रहते हैं, वहाँ पे कौन सा slide आपको delete करना है वो slide पे click करो, right click of your mouse करो, and then that display the option that is to delete that slide. In that picture also you can see, right children? Okay, let us move to the next point, that is saving the presentation. Yes, you have done a very nice work on a presentation and you want to save it to show your parent, to show your seniors. So how to save that presentation? Yes, there is a shortcut key, you can save with the control plus S key, right? And another way also, go to the file tab. That file tab will display so many options. In that, open, save, save as, then click on save options in the file tab, then select the location where you need to save the file or click on browse button. The save as dialog box appears. Select the file location, आपका storage area select करो, then enter the file name, write down your presentation name, and then click on save button. Yes, so this is how your presentation or your slides are saved in your given name in a selected drive. Understanding? Yes. One, remember, note is given by default. MS PowerPoint saves a file with .pptx extension. Yes, dear children. So whenever you will save any file in a computer, there are some file formats. File formats means what? जैसे कि म्यूजिक हम लोग MP3 में फाइंड आउट करते हैं, राइट? देन videos we used to watch in a MP4, right? So same ways, for Word document we used to do with .docx, Excel में .xlsx, तो PowerPoint का भी है .pptx. I hope you all understanding. Second, remember, note is given. If you are working on an existing file, then the save option will save the changes made in the same file, and save as option will save the file with the new name. Okay, do it yourself children. Create a blank presentation. In first slide, type the title as air pollution, and in the subtitle type trees are the solution. Add a blank slide and insert a text box in it to save the file. So children, this is about to do activity using the MS PowerPoint application, right? So after doing all the work, you have saved, you have deleted some unwanted data from the presentation, you insert some slides. Now you want to close that presentation file. What you will do? Yes, closing the presentation. First of all, click on the file tab, that will display the different options, and then click on the close button. Yes, this is how you will close the PowerPoint presentation. Yes, one note is given, that is, if you have not saved your file before closing, PowerPoint displays a confirmation dialog box asking you, if you want to save your file, click on save. If you wish to save the file, click on don't save if you don't want to wish the save the file, or click on cancel if you wish to return to work in the file. Yes, so children, this is about the different topics about PowerPoint presentation. I hope you all have understand this. Thank you children. Have a nice day.